Hi, this is Judd with Presenter Media. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at one of our PowerPoint templates called Answer Machine. This is a question and answer PowerPoint template. So let's get started. The first slide is just a title slide. So if I play that, it just plays some animation of the title of this template. You can change this text if you want to use this as your title slide. And I'm going to exit out of here. The next slide is just a slide to let you know that the slides underneath this are the two answer layouts. These next two are true and false. You can delete these slides out if you want to. So looking at the first slide, you can easily just change the text. This is again the true and false slides. There's only two of these true and false ones. So let's go water freezes at 40 degrees. So, degrees. There you go. So water freezes at 40 degrees, and that is not true. So if somebody says true, fix that, that would be false. And you can change this text down here to say wrong, please try again. Okay, or whatever you want it to say. I'm going to change the size of that text just a little bit. That looks pretty good. And I could change this text over here if you select false to say yay, that is a super job. Sure. Yay, that is a super job. Okay, so you can change the text to whatever you want, and then when I play this slideshow, you can have somebody answer this true or false. Water freezes at 40 degrees. If they say true, they'll say wrong, please try again. And then, of course, they can click false and get that is the correct answer. And you can reset the slide up here where it says reset. So if they select false, they will get the right answer right away. And if they get the correct answer and you want to show the false answer, you can click on that if you want to. Okay, I'm going to exit out of that. The next slide is just the opposite of the previous slide we previewed. So the true is the incorrect and the false is the correct. So this one, the false was the correct, the true was incorrect. So you can change that however you need to. And let's go down to the three answer layouts. How this works is you put your question up here. Of course, I'm not going to type up a question, but say I want, you got your question, and then you put your answers down here, and then you play the slideshow. And you have your viewers answer the question. If they pick the wrong one, they'll get a thumbs down. If they pick the wrong one, thumbs down. The correct one, they'll get a thumbs up. And let me reset that. Let me exit out of that. So if I go to the next slide, you can see that the correct answer is now in the middle. So you can choose where you want the correct answer to be. And again, if you get the correct answer right away, and you want to show the wrong answers, you can do that by just clicking on those, and it'll show whatever text you type in here is the wrong answer. So reset that. I'm going to exit out. So then moving down, you got four answer layouts. They work the same way as the three answer. And then you also have five answer layouts that you can add five answers to your question. And that is basically how this template works. I'm going to show you how to save this PowerPoint template once you have it all, everything you want out of it that you are going to put into your presentation, or you can use it as just a standalone presentation. So I'm going to show you how to kind of package this as a quiz game that you could add to your presentation. So I'm just gonna delete out most of these. I'll keep those. Yeah, looks good. So if you're not going to use some of these slides, you can delete them out. Let's just go with these. I'm going to use these 2 slides here. And then I would go up to File, go to Save As, click on Browse, click where it says Save As Type, and I want to save it as a PowerPoint show right here. And I'm going to save this as just a show test. Save that out. So I saved that to a folder on my computer, and I'm going to go to another one of our templates here, and I'm just going to show you how to load that that quiz game into another presentation. So I can use a text box if I want to. If I just put that down here and put quiz game, that's fine. Okay. So what I want to do is, this will also work with a shape or something you want to use other than a text box. You can use an image if you want to use an image. So, but it all works the same. So just right click on that and go up to link. Click on link, and then you want to click place in this document, or actually you want to click existing file or web page. And then click this little folder right here. Actually, it's this folder. So not the folder right next to this, but over here further to the right. So again, existing file or web page, click on that. Go to the folder over here on the far right. And then I'm going to find where I saved my file. So there it is, the show test PPSX it's called. So that's a PowerPoint show file. And if I click on that and go OK, and then click on OK, now when I play this, my presentation, and let's say I click all through it, and there you go, get all the stuff up on the screen. And you're talking about this, and then you want to do your quiz. You just click down here where you had your text or image, whatever element you put your link on, and click it, and it will, hold on a second. Click it, there you go. And it opens up that, that packaged presentation, so our answer machine presentation inside another presentation. So you don't have to copy all those slides and have all those slides in there to click through. And then when I click through this, it'll give me that and give me this slide that we made. And I'll just click on that and that. Okay, that looks good. Set, and then I'll go to the next one, and you can just go through the answers for that. And when I hit escape, it's going to go back into my presentation that I was working on. So again, just a way to keep your slide list shorter, so you don't have to copy in a bunch of slides. This works good if you have a bunch of slides inside this game or this game quiz. We have other games on our website, Presenter Media, that you can do the same thing with, and there's instructions inside the PowerPoint template how to do that. But yeah, just follow along with the video there if you want to do that. Okay, I think that's all for this video, and kind of showcasing this quiz template. All right, we'll see you on the next video, and be sure to follow us or like us on YouTube, and you can get updates on new tutorials or content that's coming out on Presenter Media. All right, thanks. Bye.